Hello, in this JavaScript video, I am going to show you the while loop. So I've got a for loop right here. If this seems a bit alien to you, I would recommend going and checking out the for loop video. Once you've done that, feel free to pop on back. Okay, so we've got this for loop and it's just printed out this. It's just incremented it by 2 every single time. All cool stuff. There's something called a while loop. Let me show you how a while loop works. Pretty similar. A couple of differences. And in a for loop, there's 3 main parts. There's the setup, the initialization, the condition, the sort of end iteration statement. Whereas in a while loop, there's only one part, and that's the condition itself. So if I copy this, and you might be thinking, okay, so how does he get the setup? Any setup needs to occur before. So I'll call this var j equals 0, and we'll essentially simulate this. And any incrementation needs to actually occur within the actual loop itself. It could be at the end of the loop, or it could be before some other statements. That's totally up to you. And let me just copy this line. So this is position for j. I'm gonna say this is position for I. Save that, and I need to change this to a j. Refresh, so we get I 0 to 100, and then j 0 to 100. Okay, where would you use a while loop over a for loop? Okay, so this variable right here that we're using, if this is already being created and you're just going to use in the while loop, that's a good scenario to use the while loop, where you're not actually specifically creating this variable purely for the loop itself. Then a while loop is good for it. Whereas if you just want to run a piece of code several times, 100 times, 1,000 times, 10 times, doesn't really matter how many times, but you don't actually have this sort of iterator variable already set up and you need to create a new one, then a for loop is the way to go. So that's it for the while loop. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.